Hi, a very good morning, children. A warm welcome to the new session. Happy Tuesday, all of you. How are you all? I hope all are doing good at home. Yes, very soon we'll have second test, right? FA2 is coming. You have to prepare for the second test, children. Simply don't waste the time. Okay. What are the lessons you have for the second test? Precious water and VIA5. These are the both two lessons. These are the two lessons you have for the second test. Okay. What type of question paper pattern is? Rearrange the letters, jumbled words, match the following, true or false, fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. This is the question paper pattern. This type of mains you'll get. Okay. Fine. I hope all understand. Today's subject is EVS and the topic is about precious water. About this topic only we are writing notes, right? Precious water. Class second standard. What are the mains we have finished in the previous class, children? Rearrange the letters, jumbled words, true or false, match the following, then fill in the blanks. These are the mains we have finished, right? Only one main is left, that is answer the following questions. Yes, today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday, Tuesday. And this is 6th May. Write down, open your class work, read it clear, eraser and pencil. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Questions. Answer the following questions. First question. Write down the first question. What is water cycle? What is water? What is water cycle? CYCLE. What is water cycle? What is water cycle, children? The movement of water in nature is called water cycle, right? Write down. The movement of water. The movement of water in nature. In environment, nature, okay, is called is called CALLED, called water cycle. Is called water cycle. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. You have to learn, okay. Second one. Which type of water makes us sick? Makes us sick. Which type of water makes us sick, children? Fall into sick. If we drink which type of water, we fall into sick. Drinking dirty water, right? Write down. Drinking dirty water, polluted water. Drinking dirty water drinking dirty water makes us sick. MAKES, makes us sick. SICK, sick. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty water makes us sick. Then what type of water we need, children? Filtered water, boiled water, right? Yes. In boiled water kills the germs, right? In filtered water we get dirt-free water. It removes the dirt from the water. Okay. Next. Third one. Which is the main source of water? Which is the main source of water, children? How will get fresh water? From where will get fresh water? Main source of water, that is rain. Yes, answer is rain. Rain is the main source of water. Only you have to learn rain. See, rain is the remaining answer. You get it in the question itself. Rain is the main source of water. Main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Write down. I need to erase. Fourth one. Name any three three sources of water. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Other sources of water are, yes, of course, it is lake, pond, river, ocean, sea, right? Wells. Write down. Ponds, P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Lakes, ponds, lakes. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. And wells, right, recipients, etc. Oceans, seas, hand pump, small streams, rivulet. These are also sources of water, children. Okay, here they are asking only 3, right? We have written 4. That's the reason I have written etc. Okay. Fifth one. What? W-H-A-T. What? What is the name of the gas form of water? What is the name of the gas form of water? What is the name of the gas form of water, children? It is water vapor. Water vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R. Complete the sentence, okay? Water vapor is the name of the gas form. Water vapor is the name of the gas form of water. Gas form of water. Water vapor is the name of the gas form of water. Okay, next. Right. Right. Three forms of water. THREE. Three forms of water. Right. Three forms of water means water as a liquid, water as a gas, water as a liquid, gas and solid. Right. This is the three forms of water. Answer. Liquid, 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 gas and solid. These are the, complete the sentence. These are the